Currently, we are using three printing machines from Kai. The printing machines which we are doing mostly on our PET cups. The PET cups is really very risky jobs, and Kai is making is excellent printing quality. Indeed, we have to be appreciate Kai for their performance, and it runs average speeds from 400 to up to 550 cups per minute. Depends on the size of the cups, and the quality of printing also more than the expected quality.
If some expectations about Kai development or the new technology, what do you think we can do for you for the future improvement?
Now we have to go for the tray machine, because now we wanted to print on our trays.
So I see a very foresee prospect for the recycling process, especially we are doing the printing now. We can replace the stickers. It absolutely can help you to reduce your printing costs, especially during this special period. I'm so happy and so appreciate for your interview. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you.